How to turn on or off Wi-Fi on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. In settings, you can see here the Wi-Fi. Okay, you can tap this. Here in Wi-Fi, you can see here the switch button on the right side. Okay, to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do switch on switch button on the right side. And now you can see the available network. So okay, if you want to connect here, okay, you can tap this and enter the password. So this is the one way to turn on the Wi-Fi. And the second way is slide from top to bottom. And you can see here the Wi-Fi icon. You can tap this to turn off the Wi-Fi. And if you want to turn on again, you can tap again to turn on the Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi color or icon is blue if the Wi-Fi is on. And that's it. Okay, there are two ways to turn on or off the Wi-Fi on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.